Okay, bye.
For the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flood warning for small streams in Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Union County in northeast New Jersey, Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, until 12:45 a.m. At 6:41 p.m., several small streams across northeast New Jersey were approaching action stage. Additional moderate to heavy rainfall lifting northward from New Jersey, Maryland, and Delaware will move across the area this evening and is expected to cause many small streams to exceed bank full. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flood warning means flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. Flash flood